Hello, welcome back to On the Trail with Gyver. Today we are not on the trail, we're actually going to be on the water. I recently picked up a new camera mount that I'm going to attach to my kayak, and today we're going to give it a trial run. We're going to see how it goes. It is really windy out. I don't know if you see this in the video, but the water is really choppy. So it might make for some really good footage, or it might not. But we're going to give it a try, see how it goes. So a while back, I put this PVC post here on the kayak, and I used it for a long time as a camera and GPS mount. I haven't used my GPS while kayaking in a while, so I've had this stopper on it to kind of keep it from, getting scratching things up. And the camera mount seems to fit really well. It's got a thumb screw here. We're just going to give that a couple of turns here to tighten it up. Hopefully that's good. I'll make some adjustments to make sure we get some good footage here. But we're gonna go ahead and get my life jacket on. We'll launch and see you again in the water. Alright, so the water is definitely choppier than I was expecting. I had to stop here to let a family of swans swim by. In case you didn't know it, swans are very territorial. And when you're on the same level with them right in the water, it's not fun getting attacked by them. Wouldn't be the first time it's happened to me, but I always try and avoid it whenever I can. And I am fighting really hard to try and stay still while recording, so camera slipping, I'm sorry about that. So far, camera mount seems to be holding up pretty well though. I'll get the footage in from that camera here later on. But man, Other than the wind and the choppy water, look at the day the Lord has given me to be out here on the water and to share this with you all. You know, this is just, it's beautiful out here. I know to kayak around this lake today, it's going to be a challenge. It's going to be a good workout, which is great. You know, it's just beautiful. So definitely glad I could share this with you all. And I better get back to paddling. So I will catch you all in a few. Alright, well, I'm here on dry land. Water was super choppy. Don't know if you can really tell from the footage. Hopefully you can. It was a lot of fun. The camera mount worked perfectly. It stayed still. It didn't tip or come loose while I was out there on the waves. Yeah, it was great. I think this mount is going to work out really well. And I will post a link to the Amazon page I got it from. As always, I'm not affiliated with anyone, anything, any company. I don't get kickbacks or anything like that. It's just, as always, I see something I like, I test it out. If it works, I pass it along to you guys. The kayak is upside down because we took on a whole lot of water. But, that's what makes it fun, right? I am soaked. For any of my fans out there, they're also fans of Douglas Adams. I'm glad I brought my towel. Never leave home without it. So, but anyways, though, had a great time. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this kayaking trip to test out my new camera mount. As always, God bless, and I hope to see you on the trail. And before I forget, if you like my content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell so you can get notifications when new stuff comes out. And now I will say God bless and hope to see you on the trail.